How to use Eero with AT&T BGW320. So for the app version, you could turn on bridge mode inside the Eero app, but you're gonna note that the AT&T BGW320 itself usually does not have a true bridge mode, and it uses an IP pass-through instead. So if you want the Eero to handle routing, AT&T does say the IP pass-through shares the gateway's one IP with one LAN device and is commonly used as an alternative to bridge mode. But anyways, if you'd like the other method, then just go ahead to your Eero app, connect the Eero app to the BGW320 using an Ethernet cable. So physically, make sure they are already connected. Then just go ahead and open the Eero app, make sure the network is working. Then just go ahead into settings and then go into advanced settings. It can look something similar to this. And then open DHCP or something like that, DHCP and NAT. So basically inside advanced networking. But once there, you should be able to find a bridge mode. You can change it from automatic to bridge and then just go ahead and save the changes. So there you can go ahead and save and let Eero reboot. So after this, the BGW320 does handle routing while the Eero mainly provides Wi-Fi mesh coverage. But that is one option if you want to do this, so hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.